Transform your Webflow contact forms with interactive radio buttons to capture user preferences like a pro. First, let's dive into your Webflow project. Open your contact form or add a new one to your desired page from the Elements panel. Locate the Form section and grab a radio button element. Drag and drop this radio button directly onto your form. You'll see it appear with a related label now. With the radio button selected, head over to the Element Settings panel on the right. In the Element Settings panel, you'll find a name field. This is crucial for data collection. Give your radio button a descriptive name that clearly identifies the data it will capture. For example, preferred contact method. Next, let's customize the label. Click on the text next to your radio button in the Text Settings panel. Change the label text to clearly indicate the option. For instance, you might change it to email. To offer multiple choices, simply repeat the process. Add another radio button element to your form. Remember to assign a unique, descriptive name to this new radio button in its element settings, just like you did for the first one, for example, phone. Then, edit its label to reflect the second option, such as phone. Now, if you want one option to be pre-selected when the form loads, select that specific radio button and under Element Settings, check the selected box. This is handy for making the most common choice the default. And there you have it. Your Webflow contact form now features interactive radio buttons, making it easier for your users to provide specific information accurately and enhancing your form's overall user experience. Happy designing!